Ready.
Kiang Nangbah Govt College Jowai hak arpa widrik uni ubana dele buram go yawarok ki khandro khalot walai pure yongka ki wada Pyndep ya ka graduation how news nem araja arpa onru hak yalang watip kam ka graduation day ceremony wada penman ha auditorium hall ka college. Hagani ga yalang le buram namo ka graduation day ceremony u Deputy Commissioner ka West Giant Hill District u Abhinav Kumar Singh IAS do wanu kamu kongsan hey em lang ki wasika na do principal ka college u toy u BN Lamare retired principal u waman le u president ka alumni association ka Kiang Nangbah Govt College ki khenro kholot wadang pure kan ni wa kiwi. Ha ini le buram de pengkup buram kerpang le deilang ki certificates ya ki warap poi chakhaman kam gi wayo grade O A+ wa grade A. Nei te da certificates le ya ki wasikai ki waman ki kli yong ki chnat pure wa pher. U Deputy Commissioner hawa kalam hagani ke sngi de ikhubleu ya ki khenro khalot wa de ye ki ukap chiliang ya umumer i pure puthi hei im yong ki de wa ong le wa ikre chitam wa ichlo roman i wa kongsan tam hei im ha chirup ikir chan wa emen sin ki wasikai wa ki wa hayong hasem. Hawa penkenmu ya kanong muna o Kiang Nangbah kam wa ya kani ka college de enam hei bertu yong o we kam wa iktin im sngi ka college ongko awake arise and reach the goal da kentu ya ki khenro khalot ki wadaman kam ki graduate wa bot ki ya ini inong muna we wa man ki wa chlur kentu haro o ya ki wa Pyndep pure graduate na kani ka college wa man ki wa sngau khian wa kre chitom we chlur la da to nei benta o pten ye pure wa rap chakle la da to o kre hikam pai ba ikam yong semen na sengki sengkhan wa kiwi pen sngau le wa start itip mto usa akut ki du he job yong semen tang wa open man kam le ya ka nei benta i baha imiat yong ka imlang sa lang wa ka jaj bru hawaya ro ye kam wa baha ki wa ya khamat ki wa sikai ki wa kre ki bei ki pa wa ka sen ki wa pure ne ka alumni association nei benta open wandur ye ki khenro khlot pure yuluti wa kini ki wa da Pyndep ye pure le ya kre lang ki nei benta ora ye nam iburam yong gani ka college kiwi wan wa e kalam e mensin ye ki khenro khlot kan thobu toy wa BN Lamare hagani ka sngi de yo le irwai na ki khenro khlot pure kani ka college.
Graduates, and also I would like to congratulate your parents. Without the parents, the sacrifice of the parents, you will not be sitting here. I congratulate all the parents, though we have invited only few parents, only parents who have got their children in O grade and the A+. So I congratulate you and also to all the parents at home who have for all the success you have done. It is through their sacrifice and hard work for extending you their help and support you have reached up to this mark. I also congratulate all the HOD, all the teaching faculty who have helped, who have supported the student, who have prepared the teaching and learning so that the student will be at ease and then so that the student will get the proper knowledge and to get through in this graduate.
The lives of all the graduates who are present in here. Let me begin by extending my heartfelt congratulations to the graduation batch. Today you reap the rewards of the years of discipline, hard work and perseverance. Your achievement reflects not just only your dedication, but the guidance of your teachers and the support of your family members. Kiang Nangbah Govt College carries a name significantly deep to the history of Jaintia Hills. Kiang Nangbah was a man who stood up against injustice and paid the ultimate price for freedom and dignity of the people. The college motto, awake, arise and reach for the goal, is not merely a phrase. It is a call to carry forward the same spirit of courage, conviction and purpose in whatever path you choose in the upcoming days. As the Deputy Commissioner of West Giant Hills District, I have had the opportunity to witness firsthand both the challenges and immense potential that district holds. I want to tell each of you graduating today that this district, this state needs you. Whatever you choose to pursue, higher studies, enter into public service, join the private sector or be an entrepreneur, return to serve your own community, and remember that education is meaningful only when it is put to use for the larger good. To the graduates, I would like to leave you with 3 thoughts. First, stay curious. The certificate you receive today is not the end of the learning, it is only a beginning. Second, stay grounded. Wherever your path takes you, do not forget that community and the values that shaped you are here in your own district. Third, stay courageous. Like your college namesake, have the courage to stand for what it is right, even when it is difficult times. I would also like to acknowledge the tireless efforts of the principal, the faculty and the staff of Kiang Government College, whose dedication has shaped the young minds before us today. To the parents and the guardians present, your sacrifices and support have brought your children to this moment, and you have every reason to be proud of them. And to the Alumni Association, thank you for continuing to nurture this institution and for setting an example of what is possible after Kiang Government College. As you step up from these halls into further studies or into the world of work, I have full confidence that you will carry forward the legacy of this institution and the spirit of your motto, to awake, to arise, and to reach your goal. Congratulations once again, and I wish every success in the journey ahead. Thank you all.
It is a time for you to make a choice. There are so many options available, so make sure you choose the right one. There are 4 T's which are connected with your choice. One is think. Think properly. Maybe you have to write down. If I take this one, this much. If I take this one, this. If I take this one, like that. Make a write down. Write down. Make a list and then see which is good, which is bad for you. Secondly, you will have to take care of the time also. There's a timeline. There's a timeline, isn't it? With every course, with every job, there's a timeline. Don't wait till you reach the expiry date. Next one is the trust. You need to have trust in yourself. Here, listen to what your inner voice tells you. Listen carefully so that you will not regret later on. And fourthly, talk, consult with anyone who knows better, maybe your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your relatives, your teachers, your friends. Talk with them. So that is why I'm telling this, because it is an age for you to make your choice. You need to make a very good choice. I congratulate all of you. I understand that 211 of you are there who graduated now. 211 is a good number. And from other colleges, there will be another 200, 300, there will be thousands in the state of Meghalaya. Who can give you government jobs with so many graduates passing? You understand that, isn't it? So we have to work it out ourselves. We have to work out ourselves by making a good choice. No doubt, sometimes we may not get answers immediately. I remember there is a very popular saying, a very good saying on prayer. We all pray. I believe we all pray. Whatever is our faith, but we all pray, isn't it? One quotation is a very nice quotation. When God answers your prayers, He is increasing your faith. Anyone who have that already? Anyone? Did you hear that already? When God answers your prayers, He is increasing your faith.